welcome back to my channel. So today I have a small Spellbinders haul to share with you. This is my very first Glimmer Hot Foil System plates haul that I have, and so I wanted to go ahead and jump on here real quick and share that with you. And oh my gosh, the plates are so absolutely awesome. But before I share with you these plates, I'm gonna show you the foils that I got, and they are even better looking live than they are in the website. And so the first one that I got was this Glimmer foil with all these stars, and I'm sorry if there is a lot of glare to this. The color selection is called Starburst, and this is what it looks like. GLF029, that's the stock number, and I will go ahead and link you to these in the description area to this video. Look how gorgeous this is. I can't wait to work with this. And the other one that I got is kind of like a champagne blonde, and actually the color to this is called Champagne, and it's GLF025, and it's so super pretty. It's like a gold, but it's a lighter shade of gold. I really like that. And I got these when they were having their new markdown sales, and so these had been marked down a little bit. And so the other one that I got was the Glimmer Foil Variety Pack. And so what you get in this is the silver, the pewter, the copper, and the polished brass. And let me go ahead and open this up for you, because you really cannot appreciate with all that glare from the lights these colors. And as you can see, I plan to do a lot of hot foiling, especially now that I know that I can use some of my Spellbinders intricate dies. Okay, this is that beautiful silver color. And ooh, look at that. This is the pewter. So if you want to see the difference between them, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And this one is called the, let's see, silver pewter. This one is the polished brass, which is darker than the champagne, if you can tell. Okay, and the last one is the copper, and it's absolutely scrumptious. Here's the copper against the brass, and here's the copper against that champagne gold. And there's one more that I got that I just could not resist. Is this darker one, and this one is called the Espresso Bean, and that is a stock number to it. Oh, and in case you need the stock number to this one, that's what it is. And so this one, let me see, can I open it without tearing the box up? Yes, I can. I think it was stunning. Look at it. Look at that. And here's what it looks like against the silver. And let me see if I can open these up for you without tearing this up too much. Okay, this is that champagne. See how much lighter the champagne is from the brass? I just love this. I love all the shiny stuff. And then I could not resist on this one. Let me show this one to you. I had to tear that one up. And so look. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my word, it is absolutely gorgeous. See, here is the three gold ones. This is a darker brass. This is that beautiful, what do they call it? Starburst. It's gorgeous. And here is the champagne. Okay, and so these are the ones that I got, and oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about the glare. I'm trying to show these to you without all that glare. But anyways, I got those, and then I got these gorgeous plates. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Isn't that scrumptious? Oh my word. I wish they had these in a die. It's so beautiful. And this is what the design looks like in a card. Okay, but I'm thinking this design is big enough to go not only in a card but in a few things, you know, like layouts and things like that. It's so beautiful. And this one is called the Elegant Rectangle, and that is the stock number to it. And I will link you to this in the area right underneath this video. And look at this other one. Oh my word. That is so beautiful. And this one is called, let's see, this one is called a Petite looking glass frame. And this is what the foiled design looks like. And this is the stock number to it. So yeah, I just wanted to share these with you. I'm going to have loads of fun foiling with these Spellbinders foiling plates. Oh my gosh, they're so super beautiful. I love them. Okay, thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon, and I will come back later on to show you everything that I've made with this. Bye!